What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, we are going to be cleaning my seats. If you saw my last video, you saw how dirty my seats were. So ever since that, I've been thinking about it. I'm like, how can I clean my seats and like not be too expensive, not buy like one of those fancy vacuums that you guys see when people clean their seats and all that. So I was like, nah, I'm not going that route. So I found the cheapest way, $5. You can clean any seats with this, and I'm gonna try it out, and I'll show you how before and after when the seats are clean and all that. And you basically need like four things, man. Four things. I went to Dollar Tree. I got a bucket. I got some rags, and then I got this degreaser that you could find at Dollar Tree, which works. And then what else did I get? And then I got one of those little scrubby things so I can scrub my seat. So this has to work, and if it works, it's gonna be like a cheap method, so you won't have to buy none of that expensive type shit to clean your seats. But anyways, I'm gonna go outside and I'll show you guys. Oh, and make sure with the bucket, you gotta fill it up with hot water, and then after that, you should be set. All right, guys, we made it out here. I didn't want to stand outside because the sun is so bright. It don't look good on me, but so the things that you basically need, what I already told you, is a bucket with hot water, the scrub, the rags, and then this is the degreaser I was talking about. You can find this anywhere at Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna take you through the process, and I'll show you right now how my seats look. They're like stained. I don't like that. So, and I'm gonna try this on Rosie's car too, because her car has a little bit of stains on her seats. So hopefully this works. See those little stains right there? I have them right here. I mean, it's noticeable if you're close to the car, and then over there it's the same thing. So I am gonna try to clean that and make it look clean. All right, so what you want to do, I got seat warmers, so I'm not gonna pour a lot of this stuff in it. I'm just gonna put like little droplets everywhere. So, and then after I do that, I'll just start scrubbing in. All right, so that should be enough. And then I just go into scrubbing. Put one more right here, one up here, one out here, and last one. One more in the middle. All right, guys, so after that, oh, make sure if you got leather seats, don't scrub on the leather, because if you do, it's gonna start peeling off and you don't want that. So that's what I just noticed. You want to get your rag and then dip it in the hot water. Well guys, those red rags, when I dipped it in the hot water, the red is coming off. So if I wipe this down in here, it's probably gonna get stained. So I am not gonna do that. I'm gonna go get a different like rag and try to clean it up. All right, so we are back. Now I got a different rag, and all you gotta do is just dip it in the water. Well, let me just give it a little couple scrubs because I just knocked him back. All right, now that you're done with that, get your rag, dip it in the hot water, and just clean this off. Oh damn, I think the stains went away. Yes, sir. Well, we gotta wait till it dries up, but I'm pretty sure the stains are gone. That is crazy. And I'm not cleaning this part right here, the top part, this part, because it's clean. It's just where you sit down on both sides. Make sure you guys don't leave that degreaser on too long on the seats, because if you got leather seats, because it stains it if you leave it for too long. So you don't want to do that, because I think this thing is so powerful. Well, it looks like it's come out. It all came off. All right guys, so I'm done with this seat. We're gonna head to the next seat, and that seat, I'm just gonna go over what I went with this seat, so I'm not really gonna talk, but I'll show you how dirty that seat is, and then when it's clean, I'll show you guys how it looks at the end. All right, here's another look at the passenger seat. Look at all these stains. It's annoying, and I think some of it has to do because of Atticus. Whenever he gets in the car, his paws are kind of dirty, but mostly this car already came like this. So I mean, it's about time to clean this shit up, and let's get right into it. This is the last one, and then the other one's over there drying. So this right here was clear water, and after cleaning both of the seats, luckily I have 2 seats, I don't have to clean 4 of them. The water is kind of brownish grayish, so that's all the dirt from the seats, so that's a good thing. I'm gonna let it dry up and then come back, and then I'll show you guys the seats. All right, so I did notice there was some couple stains right here on the side, so I just want to go ahead and wipe it down with that that degreaser with the rag. Obviously just went all around the seat and on the other seat too, so it's coming out perfect and it looks way better. Look at that, and then look at that one over there, still waiting to dry, but I'm just gonna let it dry a little bit more and then I'll come back and then that'll be the end of the video, and that's proof it fucking works. So let's get it. So there you have it, guys. This one's still drying up. Those little spots right there is because it's wet, but other than that, the stains are gone. Look at that one. Such a big difference. This actually works, guys. So if you want to try it, go ahead, do it. All right, guys, so there you have it. It does work. I only spent $5 and I cleaned my seats, the stains. So if any of you guys are watching this and y'all are debating on doing this, man, do it, because it really works. It really fucking works. But anyways, thank you guys for watching and liking the videos. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach to 60 subscribers. It would mean a lot to me. I thank you and I appreciate you so much. Peace till the next time.